Hi, welcome to a video about tuning in your guitar. So we're going to look at clip-on tuners like this one here that literally just clip onto your headstock, and we're going to look at using an app to tune your guitar in as well. There are lots of different apps out there. All of them work very well and all of them really are very similar in the way they work. So if we just have a good look at this one, it should give you a good idea about how to use any of them really. So we're going to start with the clip-on tuner. Okay, so I've put the clip-on tuner on the headstock now, turned it on, and what will happen is when I hit a string, you'll be able to see that the note pops up here, so that's an E, but because it's in the red, I know that it's flat. When it's in tune, it'll be right in the center there. Okay, so because it's below the E, I know I need to tighten the string. Okay, so if we watch this, it goes up and there we are, it's right in the middle, and I know that's now in tune, and I can go on to the next string. It's an A, that's also flat, so if I tighten this again, and there we go, that's nicely in the middle now. If I move on to the next one, okay, now this one is sharp, so you should be able to see that's in the yellow, it's on this side now. And if I loosen it, that'll come down until it's again nicely in the middle and in tune. And it's that simple to use. You just go through all your strings, making sure that they are in tune. Your strings, if you're not sure, are E, A, D and G, B, E. I'll show you that on the app because it's really easy to see that on the app as well. We'll move on to that now. Okay, this is a free app, which is why you can see the adverts down there at the bottom still, but it works very well. As I say, lots of other free apps out there, so just have a look around. But I quite like this one. It gives us a lot of information that we need. So about halfway up there, just below the needle, you've got the tuning. So we've got standard on the right hand side there, E, A, D, G, B, E. We can see our 6 strings laid out and we can see where they connect to the headstock at the top there on the guitar, and we can change those just by pressing on them on the screen of your device. I'm using my iPhone here. The other nice thing is when I press on those, although you can't hear it at the moment, but you do get a reference pitch, which means that the string, when you press on it like this, will give you the sound that you need to be aiming for when you're tuning the guitar in, which is really handy if your guitar's way out of tune because you can get it really close before fine tuning. Yeah, and it works much the same as a clip-on tuner. You've got the needle there which is going to sway back and forth. If it's on 0, you know it's in tune. So we'll just tune this high E string in and have a little look at how it works. Okay, so you can see it's below 0 there, -5%, so we know it's out of tune. So we need to tighten it. It's flat at the moment, it's too low. So we'll just tighten that up. You can even see at the top there on the headstock the tuning key actually turning, and there we go, that's in tune. We know it is because we've got the needle right on 0 and we've also got the ticks flashing up. See, they both work really well, and they both work in a very similar way. I think, you know, as an adult you probably should just get the app on your iPhone or whatever device you use, simply because you know, you may be tuning in for your child and you may not play yourself. So all the extra features on these make it a bit easier to do that if you're not used to doing it. But I think also a child needs, or any student needs, a clip-on tuner because they can just go into the guitar case. It's a dedicated tuner. You don't have to worry about your iPhone disappearing or any other device wandering. So I think, you know, these for, you know, less than £10 I think on average are a great thing to use as well. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope again it's some kind of help. Please leave any comments, any other advice you need, contact me. If you have any other questions, just let me know. We could do another video on that if that's any help at all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.